Are you still looking for high-quality PCBA boards? Our GETTINGWIN Hong Kong factory is the source manufacturer of PCBA boards located in Bao'an District, Shenzhen City, Guangdong. We specialize in customizing and producing various types of circuit boards. Whether it is a circuit board, a complete circuit board, or a chip, single layer, double layer, and other styles of circuit boards, our factory has stock and assists in production according to your needs. In Bao'an District, we have been a PCBA board manufacturer for more than 10 years, and we can ship steadily every month. With years of accumulated experience and superb craftsmanship, we ensure that every PCBA board is of high quality. On the premise of ensuring the same quality and delivery, I dare say that no one can roll over us. From raw material procurement to finished product delivery, every link is strictly controlled, just to provide you with the most cost-effective products. In Bao'an District, we have been a PCBA board manufacturer for more than 10 years. If you need it, please leave a message in the comment area. Looking forward to working with you.